Hi folks, Jason Webster here, lead commercial agronomist with Precision Planting. And I want to show you some of the equipment we're using during our soybean harvest. Now you can see my combine in the back. We're running a Case IH 8250. And on this 8250, we've got a Geringhoff TruFlex Razor Air 40-foot Draper. One of the things I really like with this Draper is the air component. As we're bringing soybeans into this Draper head, we're concerned about beans bouncing all over the place and having some harvest loss. And so the air system on this head is designed to blow air from the cutter bar to the back of the head to continue to push those soybeans in on the belt to get as much grain possible into the combine. Now, I wanted to show you this air system running while we were harvesting soybeans, but generally with the dust, you really can't see a whole lot. So here is a close-up look. We've got a fan system that will blow air. It's going to come up right behind the knives, and it's going to blow air right straight out to push these beans away from the knives to prevent that dancing, bouncing around, and ultimately falling off the head onto the ground. But they'll land on the belt, and then the belt will take them to the combine. The goal here is less harvest loss. So we really like the added benefit of this air pushing these soybeans back, trying to get every last bean into this Draper head. All right, so we had the opportunity to use this Geringhoff TruFlex Razor with the integrated air system. What did we find? We saw a yield increase of 2.4 bushel on a per acre basis. Now, again, this was a dry fall. I think due to those dry conditions is a part of the reason we saw the 2.4 bushel yield increase with the air system. But nonetheless, 2.4 bushel yield increase. Now it comes down to economics. To figure out the economics, here's what I did. I took a look back over the last 4 years to get a good average soybean price. The soybean prices that we used over the last 4 years averaged $12.62 a bushel for soybeans. If I ran that 4-year average with the 2.4 bushel yield increase, I'm coming in with a $30.29 return on a per acre basis, bringing in an extra $30 by using the integrated air system on this head. In the first year of testing, an extra $30 of gross revenue coming in from this machine looked pretty attractive. And it was a tool in our toolbox this fall. We were able to turn the air system on and bring in another $30 an acre.